You probably spend hours watching videos on your phone and computer. Most of these videos are for entertainment purposes. But what if I say you can watch videos and earn money at the same time? Sounds interesting, right? Making money from watching videos is a lot easier than you might think. And in this video, I will be showing you a very simple method on how you can start making extra money just by watching videos. Don't worry, you don't need to have any previous experiences or special skills to do this. Also, it doesn't matter which country you're from, as anyone from anywhere can make money with this new strategy. This means it's available all over the world. The best part is that it's 100% free and you don't need to spend any of your money. You don't need to sell or buy anything. I highly recommend for you to watch the entire video as I'm going to show you 3 very important websites. And I'm going to give you instructions on how to sign up for a free account that you need in order to receive your payouts. Make sure not to skip any parts and follow all the steps I'm giving you, as I really want you to make money with this strategy I'm about to show you. So, just keep on watching. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where I teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So, whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns or questions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first website I want you to go to is twitch.tv. Basically, Twitch is a platform for live video streaming, offering nearly everything you want to watch, from cooking, music, Q&A sessions, and the leading driver of traffic, video games. On the homepage here, you can also see so many different videos and channels that are 100% free to watch. And we are also going to focus on gaming videos and make money with them. Next, you can click on Browse in here. And after doing that, you'll see so many different categories of videos that you can start watching. But as I mentioned before, we will be focusing on gaming videos, and that's why I have chosen this specific category here, Fortnite. It is the most popular one in Twitch. You can also click on it. And as you can see, it has the biggest amount of followers, over 80 million. And that's a very good thing that it has so many followers. This only means that so many people are interested in it. And when you scroll down on this page, you can also see that there are so many videos you can watch and make money with. I would now like to show you the next website. You can go to your browser and fill in oak.io. Oak is a completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you get paid for. You can simply paste your URL here and click on this arrow, and it will automatically give you a shorter link. Later on, I will be showing you how and where exactly you can make money with these links. But first, you need to create yourself a free account. You can do that by clicking on here, Sign Up. After that, you need to fill in your information. Just create your username. Add your email address. Create the password, re-enter it here. Then confirm that you're not a robot. And finally, click on the Submit button here. Now you have successfully created your account. Once you have created your account at Oak and logged in, then you can start shortening your links. I just copied this link from Twitch and then paste it here, click on this button, and now you have a shorter link. Once people click on your shorter link, you will make money. How much money you earn depends on the location where the person is from who clicks on it. If the person who clicks on it is from United States, then you will earn $4 from it. Now, when you click on the payout rates here, then you will be able to see how much you will earn. As you can see, if the person who clicks on the link is from Australia, then you will automatically earn $5. Now you know that it really depends on from which country the person is from who clicks on your shortened link. You will even be able to earn hundreds of dollars if you just share your links. Let's go back to the home page. I want to show you something. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see that there are over 600,000 users on this site that are making money every day. And this is how much money they have paid out. And here you can see all the different payout options they offer, as PayPal, Visa, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. I will now be showing you what exactly you need to do in order to make money with these websites that I just showed you. You can go back to twitch.tv and to the Fortnite category, where we're going to choose 3 videos. I'm now going to choose 3 videos and open all them in new tabs. You can do the same. Now you can go to the first video and click on the share to copy the video URL. Then you can go to Oak and paste the URL here and click to this button. Now you have the shorter link that you can just copy. I'm also sharing this done for you template with you, which is about Fortnite and where I also added these 3 videos. You can just copy and paste it and write it down to your file. In this template, I'm basically telling what Fortnite is all about and where I'm also sharing some videos that they can watch. And with this template, you will be able to make real money once a person clicks on these links. You can now paste the shortened link as for the first video in here. And you can do the same process with the next 2 videos. Simply copy the link from Twitch TV and paste it to Oak. Then copy the shortened link and paste it here. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now that you have added all the shortened video links, we can continue going to the next and last website. That is a forum. You can simply go to forums.pcgamer.com. This is a very popular forum where gamers from all over the world come and share their passion for gaming and videos. And when you scroll down a bit, you can see that under the PC gaming discussions, there are so many threads. I want you to click on the general gaming here, where you can see so many different posts and also messages created by people who are very passionate about gaming. As you can see yourself, this forum here is very active. I would now want you to click to the search bar in here and type in Fortnite and then search it. When looking to the search results here, you can see that a lot of people are discussing about Fortnite. It's actually not a surprise, as Fortnite is really the most popular game. And as we saw on Twitch TV, it has currently over 80 million followers. And that's why this forum here is the best place to share the Fortnite template that we created together. You can simply start socializing or just create the post here and share it with the people inside the forum. And once a person clicks on any of your shortened link, also depending of the country they're from, you will be able to earn real money. Thank you for watching. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.